guys, welcome to back another video. So you are very excited to my see videos and like my channels and subscribe my our channel, and I hope you like my video and my confidence. And I am very funny today. So today is weather is very beautiful, so my feeling is very good. Then I am happy feeling. So don't worry, I'm here from to your about informative videos for you, and I will upload everyday video for your helps and your love. So please, if you're new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. Then I will upload a new video on my channel. You received a notification in your mobile phone and account in your YouTube. So you watched my video first now and see now. So this is our topic: emergency flood repair. So server pro, emergency service pro, this is some optionals and some ads. You understand my words? Okay. Residential water damage, okay. Commercial damage repair, mold removal, contact us. This is a contact us emergency flood repairs. So what to do during flood emergency water damage restorations? Immediate action: turn off the electricity and gas by safe means, close the main water valve, remove any furniture immersed in water, look after safe place. Okay, please understand my words. Then water repair emergency flood you have seen. So please take care. This some information for your help, and your life is very important to us and your family very us. So please, this some informations to save your life, some electricities and some damages. So 5 immediate steps for handle a water damage emergency: life wet furniture and remove flood areas if possible. Place aluminum for between furniture legs and wet carpet to prevent carpet stains. Remove. Okay, please follow this step and save your life, and take care. Bye bye. My video is end. I will come back to another videos. Bye bye.